Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and I just got myself a new toy. So what I have here is a Dabpress 4-ton hydraulic heat press machine. Just came in today, so I thought I'd share it with you guys, open it up, and show you what's inside. So let me pop this tape here and open her up. So it looks like first thing we got here is the power cord, some hardware, and what looks to be a pretty nice hex wrench. Let's see what's here. Couple of metal support bars there. Oh boy, there she is. We've got the handle right there. Put that aside. Oh, nice. They gave me a little mat here too. We have the Dabpress bottle jack heat press user guide and troubleshooting. There you go. See what else we have here. Some tips, some default parameters. Okay, so we'll put that aside. Now let's pull out this machine. Okay, I've got her out, so let's pick her up and give her a place of honor right here. There we go. Let's give her a place of honor right here on the countertop. Look at her. She's beautiful. I think I love her. Got the foam in there for the travel. Got some wood blocks in between the heating elements here. It is a 3x5 heating plate. It has a 4-ton pneumatic bottle jack. Then you got some specifications on there too. Oh, I'm in love, guys. It's my new baby. So it is a 4-ton Dabpress. It is the upgraded 4-ton Dabpress. I will leave a link to this heat press machine in the description down there. So I'm gonna be getting to pressing here pretty soon. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden. She's so beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to use her.